I just wanted to make a quick announcement today to say that we have launched a Discord. If you don't know what Discord is, it's sort of like Slack but adapted for communities. Communities. It's called funfun.chat. You can find it at that URL, and it's free to join for anyone. And it's been like the launch has been so great. Everybody is so nice, and I'm so happy. And I'm just the only drawback is I didn't do this earlier. I just wanted to give you like a little insight on what it looks like. I like the first thing that you should do after joining is to go either to introduction and write a little something, a little story about yourself, because it's really nice for me as a creator to know who you are that is watching the channel. It's likes and views are great and all, but what really matters is the people behind it. So reading stuff like this. Hi, I'm Ellen from Midwest USA, flyover country. I'm a math genius who picked up programming on the side. I've been designing a programming language called Stroscott. Like designing a programming language. It's based on linear logic and optimal reduction and should be very interesting for people looking to improve their programming experience. I'm hesitant about sharing it publicly though. Some of the features are a little bit weird. Oh man, FinSoc, you should. Or if you don't feel like writing an introduction, you can just show your workspace. There's a cool channel for that. Or just jump into the coffee machine, which is the water cooler banter place where you can just chat. These channels are changing around wildly right now because it's a new community. But yeah, either way, so it's all free to join. Just jump in at funfun.chat, and you. Yeah. If you are a Twitch subscriber or a patron, you will get a little. Your name will be like a little bit special here, like KTRZ. You also get access to the behind the scenes channel, which is a channel where that is a little bit more intimate, where I chat with a smaller group about what is happening behind the scenes. Yeah. But that's the only thing that's not free. So yeah, yeah. Please join the Discord and join in the nice little community to get some programming help or just hang out. Yeah. Until I see you next time. Stay curious.